Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of the 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on N G Ranga Rao. He was born on 7th of November 1900 in Guntur district. He went to England for higher studies and graduated in B. Lit in economics from the University of Oxford. He joined All India Congress Committee. He founded All India Kisan Congress. He was president of Andhra Congress Committee. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Madras on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly, like issue of decentralization of power, provisions regarding the emergency powers. He spoke on creation of an Andhra province. He spoke on the powers of governor. So we'll just see what he spoke on the powers of governor. On 23rd of July 1947, he spoke on the powers of governor. Quote, "Let us remember that this governor is to be elected by adult suffrage. Let us remember that this man is to be there continuously for 5 years, whereas his minister may last for 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. Let us not forget the recent experience in Madras. We must clothe this permanently placed man with as much power as we possibly can, so that there may be some stability, some continuity, some security for the masses of people, for the safeguarding of their civil liberties." Unquote. So if you see, he was of an opinion that the governor of a state should be given maximum powers, which would help in achieving the welfare of the masses and the civil liberties. He passed away on 9th of June 1995. We are grateful for his excellent contribution in making of our constitution. Thank you.